Delta Airlines would like to be the first to welcome you to New York, John F. Kennedy International Airport. Local time is approximately 12:15 p.m. Just a reminder, the seatbelt sign is still illuminated. We ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened around you until aircraft will come to a complete stop at the gate, and the captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your only indication that it is safe to hover on the cabins. Please use caution when opening overhead compartments, as items may shift during the flight, and especially during the landing. Should you require information about your connecting flights, ground transportation, or baggage claim, the uniformed Delta agents that will meet our flight in Kennedy Airport will be able to assist you. For passengers that requested a wheelchair assistance in New York Airport, we kindly ask that you please remain seated until all passengers will decline this aircraft, so we can assist you better. We strongly suggest you look around your seats on the floor area and especially your seat pockets for your personal items. Please try not to leave anything on the aircraft behind, as it might be extremely difficult for you to come back on the aircraft and claim your items. As always here at Delta Airlines, we're always trying to improve our services. Therefore, we kindly ask when you have a free moment to please visit our website at delta.com. We can give us your feedback about your flight experience with us today, any comments or suggestions. Our goal at Delta Airlines is to make your flights more relaxed, comfortable, safe, and enjoyable ones. On behalf of all of us in Delta Airlines, and especially this Airbus A330-200, New York City-based cockpit crew and New York City-based flight attendants, we're thanking you for choosing Delta Airlines today and our SkyTeam partners. We're looking forward to serve you again in the very near future on another Delta Airlines full-flight flight. Once again, thank you, good day, and goodbye.
Thank you for the announcement today from JFK from New York. Over travel to the afternoon. Thank you for coming in the flight from the city telephone. Time and they will be able to hear the message to the Europe. One of the times, the lady reference is that I hope that station station identified is based on contributing to the base of the following high reference that they will have to come. In New York, the years developed a total of the hospitality only the passion of the New York, Carolina. Often outside the east, the passion near upstate, the mountains of the valley, round up the northern line of Manhattan, and instead without no complex scale, but preferred in the hope of an outside view of having the passion of the empty of the passion. It is therefore that it is to change the survey from Delta to Alaska. Later, the event is feedback about the on-board and place or value contributes to the incident. They also contain outside of the social notes, they have to be upgraded and irritated also, and 14